Well, hello fourth form. Well, this is all a bit strange, isn't it? But we are where we are. So my plan is to try and give you a lesson for every day when we would normally be having a lesson. Okay? If I can get well organised, I will try and let you have all of the lessons up front, so you can get ahead of the game if you want. But I will definitely make sure that by the time the day comes around when we would have had a lesson, there will be a lesson ready for you. So what I'm planning to do, just like I did with the Lent test, my idea is that I'll do a video and upload it onto YouTube, and then I will send you the link to this on Show My Homework. So that's my plan. I know this sounds a little bit iffy, but I haven't got a very good microphone. I'll see if I can rectify that at some point. So today's lesson is a little topic that we need to cover, so at least it will get you into the swing of things. So I'm calling this Remote Lesson 2, Remote Lesson 1 having been going over the Lent test. So copy this down into some paper please. 25.7, we're working out the area of a non-right angled triangle. So the formula is given, area of triangle being the half times A, B, sin C. And it's the usual lettering that we're used to, so A, B and C lowercase are the lengths of the triangle, where A, C and B are the angles uppercase, and as you know, the lowercase length A is, for example, opposite angle A. So you'll see that they've gone and chosen to use C for the angle with the area of the triangle formula. Well, that's fine, and just like before, I would suggest to adjust your diagram, so just whatever they've labelled the angle, just go and make that your C, and then A and B will just fall into place. So just going to model one question. So here we go, it's a non-right angled triangle, we've got two lengths and we've got the angle in between. So I've just gone and chosen to call the given angle uppercase C, so therefore of course this length PQ is length lowercase c. Doesn't matter which way around I do my A and the B, and I've just gone this way around, and then you just simply substitute into the given formula. So half times 7.2 times 5.4 times the sin of 49. Sin of 49. Pop that into your calculator, gives you this, which to one decimal place is 14.7. And then don't forget the units is an area, so it's centimetres squared. So these are all pretty straightforward. So all I want you to do, please, is to practice questions 1, 2, 3 and 4. I mean, obviously, if you want to do more, you're welcome. And what I suggest you do is perhaps just form a WhatsApp group amongst yourselves or something, and then you can just go and compare answers for the other questions. But I've only done questions 1 to 4. So pause the slide while you have a go at questions 1 to 4. And these are the answers to the first 4. So I think I've got them all right, but if you disagree with any of those answers, just email me and I will change them. So that's the end of this very short lesson.